What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Ryan Lopez here. Thanks for tuning in. And today we will be doing a very special 2019 review of a pallet bed. Pallet bed review. So pretty much these things are becoming more and more popular. They're like DIY, do-it-yourself home projects, and they're really easy, really simple. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I assembled this and kind of giving you any tips, pointers, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and I'll kind of be doing some shots of the wood and stuff so you can kind of see some angles of the bed. So let's get started. Alright, so pretty much this is my bed already assembled here, and with the pallets you can look online really to get some ideas and things of what you want to do. Mine that I did was I did two here as backboards. So I just have two, stood them up in the back as backboards and just kind of balanced them like that. And then on the bottom, I just did two of them on top of each other for a total of 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's two here, and there's two right here, and then there's two on that side, and then two in the other corner. And pretty much very simple, really easy to assemble. Only thing is you'll just have to get some pallets that you like. You like the finish on them. Some people might go for the weathered finish. With mine, I try to get like kind of semi-new-ish. And another thing to take into consideration whenever you do go looking for your pallets for the bed, they have different types. See, these, they have the block that goes through the middle there. I think it's like a 3-inch block or whatever, but these are considered the like more durable one or the stronger ones. And there was another one that the guy was telling me about that were kind of like smaller ones, or maybe like more weaker. So I just went with the stronger ones. They have a more of like a sturdy look to them. You can do your own research on that, check them out. So overall, very easy to assemble, extremely easy. I think the hardest part is going to be finding your pallets. That was my main challenge when I was trying to build this bed, and I kind of called around, looked in Craigslist, looked at some local kind of pallet supply places, but a lot of people don't do individual ones. So I found some ad on Craigslist. It was like a local kind of supply store, maybe like half an hour away, and they sold individual ones, and they actually dropped them off too. So these things are pretty big. You can't fit them in your car, so you definitely you need something to kind of like transportation. And the price I paid for each one was $5. So I bought 12, I had 2 extra. So I spent 60 bucks and 40 bucks for transportation. So really not bad at all. Super good value. I think it looks really cool. It's kind of like an elevated platform bed. And as you can see, there's actually some like sticking out here on the side. Sometimes I'll put my salt lamp there, or like my iPad and my computer, just kind of set it on the side here, or you can put clothes if you want, or other things. Really gives it like a cool look, I think. Really rustic, kind of vintage look. Really unique. And then for the mattress, you can just throw a mattress. I ordered my mattress off of overstock.com. That's a queen size. So I would say if you do the same dimension frame as me with the 8 on the ground as your base and then 2 in the back, I would say it will fit anywhere up to a queen, and this would even fit a king too. So, and I kind of put it off to like the side, kind of the mattress like in the top right corner there. So, and this is another shot of the headboard. So overall, really excited, really happy about it. Very easy to assemble. The hardest part is just getting the pallets, picking them out, finding a place to drop them off to you. But once you do that and you get them in the house, really easy. Just stack them on top of each other. It's like building with Legos. And then put the mattress on top, and boom, you have a really super stylish, super unique pallet bed. Really cool looking. I'm super happy with it. Definitely recommend to anyone who wants to try something new. Yeah, definitely recommend for anyone who wants to try something new, looking to spice up, a room in their house. Maybe they're just tired of their bed. So yeah, there it is right there. That's it. Yeah, I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, as far as like enjoyableness and everything, I mean, just overall rating, I would give it like honestly like a 9.8. Like I'm super happy with it. Really cool. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to drop a comment below on anything you'd like me to check out, any reviews of anything interesting that you kind of have on your list, things you want to look into, any type of men's fragrances, anything, whatever you have. Leave a comment below. I'll check it out, and make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great weekend, everything. So take care, have a good one, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.